Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss a video from NYOOOZ.
Rains after monsoon is taking a toll in North India. Flash floods, landslides and sudden weather change in parts of North India led to the death of at least 22 people in Punjab, Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir. Administration near major rivers and dams were directed to maintain vigilance. Haryana put its officers on high alert following increase in water level in Yamuna. Water was likely to reach Delhi in 72 hours. Punjab and Himachal Pradesh have issued a red alert. Light rain showers are expected till Saturday in entire North India, while in North East and South, thunderstorm and heavy rain alerts have been issued by the IMD. NYOOOZ Desk.